Welcome to another edition of 60 Seconds with FEMI. Correct Pidgin yannings now would they do. And today for the 60 Seconds with FEMI, what you gonna look now? Classical. Now big game be that. By the end of the day, it can't be like say this game now small children and they play. For the Real Madrid side, for Barcelona, they don't send whose side. They win the game 5-1. Suarez just the score here. Even Arturo Vidal, whenever play better match this season, even enter game can't score. Real Madrid just dey play anyhow, so they go even off. Like I pass my neighbor generator. Those ones when they use for Pape Saloon, you know see they use the off. Gun. Now so they use the off. Now so Real Madrid just off for that match. Some people say na Lopetegui fault. That's the Real Madrid coach. Some people say no, na the players fault. Say the players they know they play to Lopetegui instruction. So they ask this morning who they are fault. Na Lopetegui or na the players? Wetin dey happen for Real Madrid? Then also, you remember how Antonio Conte tell Diego Costa say they no want am for Chelsea. Some people don dey talk say na so Florentino Perez suppose tell this man Lopetegui say they no want am again. So they ask how you want me to tell Lopetegui say they no want am again. Now WhatsApp abi na text message where you want me to use take tell am. Na 60 seconds with FEMI be this. Don't forget to like, share and comment for this video. And our hearts and prayer dey with Leicester City, the owner of that club. Been dey involved for plane crash, helicopter crash outside Leicester City Stadium immediately after match end.